To get started, you want to arrange your threads in colour order. So you want yellow, red, yellow, red, 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 yellow, red, yellow, yellow, red, red. And once you've arranged them into the colour order that you want, it's a simple 2-row repeat pattern. So you want to start by doing all forward knots. And for your second row, you want to ignore your first and last threads, and starting with thread 2 and 3, again you want to do all forward knots. And for your third row, you want to copy what you did in row 1, and you want to keep doing these 2 rows all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it. Although your colours aren't in the same order that they were when you started, the knotting sequence is exactly the same every 2 rows. And when you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. I finished mine with braided tie-on ends, but you could finish yours however you preferred.